Oh yeah, that's officially pumpkin spice season. Hey. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Christian Danielle, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, y'all already know y'all are the real MVPs. And whether you are new or returning, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. So y'all, it is the last day of September. Last day. We out of there after today, and tomorrow is the very first day of October, so you know what that means. It is official pumpkin spice season. Like September, yeah, we getting ready, you know, they bringing out the pumpkin spice everything, but October, oh yeah, that's officially pumpkin spice season. Okay, season. You gotta put the on the season, okay? And with that being said, it has been a very hot minute since I brought you guys a drink video. Y'all know I did the Starbucks medicine ball, and I did a couple of other drinks. That Starbucks medicine ball, y'all cannot tell me that that drink was not fire. And two, y'all cannot tell me that that drink wasn't better than the actual medicine ball, but you know, that's a whole nother story. But I'm about to come back and hit y'all again with another like little drinky drink that's gonna be better when you make it at home as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this. This is the pumpkin spice matcha latte that I made in my kitchen. And yes, it is in a Starbucks cup, as you can see. If you follow me on Instagram, I say this all the time. And if you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Click the link in the description. You can follow me on Instagram and all the rest of my platforms. But I say all the time on my Instagram, if you want to feel like you drinking Starbucks or any of your favorite coffee shops, just put it in one of their cups. I'm not saying don't go there, because obviously I've gone to Starbucks to get the cup. So I'm not saying don't drink Starbucks ever, but what I'm saying is don't spend your coins there every single day going broke trying to look like everybody else when you can just make it at home and put it in your own cup. Okay? What are you doing? So I'm gonna show y'all how to make this drink, and y'all gonna be doing two things. One, you are going to be saving your coins, which all of our coins look better in our own bank accounts. I'm sorry, I said what I said. And two, tastes better. Okay, you can always make your drink taste exactly like you want to when you make it at home. And yeah, I know we don't got a lot of time sometimes, but that is why this is a easy, very easy recipe, cost effective, all of that. And I don't know what y'all waiting for, because this is so good. I'm gonna have to make another one after this. Matter of fact, I am gonna make another one right now. So let's head to the kitchen, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make this, and I promise you will thank me. So let's go. Okay, one pumpkin spice matcha latte coming up. What are we gonna need? So first, I have this organic Japanese matcha green tea powder from Herbal Cup. Then I have this Navita's matcha latte. Remember, you can use whatever matcha you have. Next, you're gonna need some oat milk. I just have this Planet oat milk. It's extra creamy because I like my drinks nice and fluffy. Next, I have some heavy whipping cream. This ingredient is optional. If you want to keep this non-dairy, then you'll just leave this particular ingredient out. And I told y'all this was going to be an easy pumpkin spice recipe. So today we're using the non-dairy creamer from Starbucks, which is the pumpkin spice latte flavor with almond milk and oat milk. This is going to make this taste so good, I promise. And then, of course, to feel like we're still having Starbucks, we put in our drink in a Starbucks cup. Now, I did get this from Starbucks. I never said I didn't go to Starbucks. I just don't go every day, okay? We saving coins around here. And the last thing that you're gonna need is a milk frother. Today, I'm using one of my favorite purchases from Amazon. This is the Zulay Kitchen handheld milk frother. It is very cheap, very inexpensive, and gets the job done. I will make sure that I link it down for you guys in the description box. And then here's a little look-see of what it looks like once you take it out of the box. Exactly like what it looks like on the front picture. Super perfect. And like I said, it gets the job done. So now that we know what we need, now we can make the magic happen and get to making this pumpkin spice matcha latte. So first I'm going to start with the 4th cup of hot water. Then I'm going to add my matcha to the water. I'm going to add 1 and 2 teaspoons of the herbal cup, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the Navita's matcha latte, and then I'm going to take my frother and I'm going to mix it all together. And then here's just a closer look at what it looks like once it's all mixed together. And then we're gonna grab our cup and we're gonna add our ice. And this is another perk of making your drinks at home, whether it's Starbucks or any place, because y'all know every place is disrespectful with that ice. And one thing about making a drink at home, you can control that ice content. So now we're gonna add our matcha right on top of that ice. Pour the whole thing in, and then we're gonna set our cup to the side. Now we're gonna prepare our creamer. So we're just gonna take that Starbucks creamer and we're gonna take 1/4 of a cup and we're gonna pour that into our bowl. And this is where we're gonna add the heavy whipping cream. Like I said, this step is optional, but I add the heavy whipping cream to make it a little bit more fluffy and bubbly and creamy. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna go in with my frother one more time. And I'm going to mix that all together until it's nice and fluffy and bubbly and yeah, everything we like. And this is what it looks like once it's done. Like I said, fluffy and bubbly. And then I'm just gonna take that and pour it right into our cup. Some people do it last, but I like to do it in the middle. So then I'm gonna add my oat milk right on top of that. And then we're gonna add a little bit more of that creamer. And then I'm gonna throw some more ice on top and take our straw and we're gonna stir that up just a little bit. Then we're gonna add our lid. Put the straw back, shake it up, and boom, there you have it. A easy, very easy pumpkin spice matcha latte from home while still feeling like we're drinking at our favorite coffee shop, but we also saved a coin in the process. Not to mention, it tastes oh so good. So if you try this out, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.